Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shabazz here. So in this video, we will learn how to perform and interpret an independent samples t-test in R. An independent samples t-test is used to compare the mean scores of two separate and unrelated groups. For example, we may compare test scores before and of male and female students, performance between an experimental group and a control group, or satisfaction level between employees from two different organizations. The null hypothesis states that the population means of the two groups are equal. The alternative hypothesis states that there is a statistically significant difference between two groups. The main assumptions we will learn before conducting the independent samples t-test in R. We will also test the Welch criteria to see the significant difference there is available or not. So statistical significance alone is not enough. We should also report each group sample size, mean and standard deviation, the mean difference, confidence interval, p-value, degree of freedom, p-value and effect size such as Cohen difference. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to import and examine the dataset, calculate descriptive statistics for both groups, check normality, outliers and equality of variances, perform the independent samples t-test, interpret the results, calculate the effect size, present and see the finding. So first of all, we will import our data. So I just give command to ChatGPT. I put the data here for independent sample t-test and request for coding. So we see the first prompt here, import and inspect the data. We will copy and then paste in R console and then press enter. So in this way, a dialog box will open. So you will select your dataset because our dataset is the same directory we are working in R. Select and then open. So data has already been opened in R. So you can also see the summary of dataset: mean, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile and maximum values. Okay, so next we see the group frequencies. So we copy the prompt and then paste in R console and then press enter. So you can see there are total participant in method A and total participant in method B. So there are 10. So there is equal distribution of data. Okay, next we check the descriptive statistics by group. We copy the command and then paste in console and then press enter. So we see the group A, there is a score and 10, number of responses 10, and group B there is also 10. And mean score in group A there is 72.5 and mean score in method B there is 62.5. So it means the mean score decreased from group A to group B. And there is standard deviation 3.02765 in method A and 3.0276 same for B. So now we will perform the normality check. We copy the prompt and then paste in R and then press enter. So you can see here the result shows that the Shapiro-Wilk value is 0.97016 and the p-value is 0.8924. So the value of p is greater than 0.05. So it means our data is normal. So now we perform the independent samples t-test in R. Copy the command, then paste here, then press enter. So you can check the difference between if the difference is significant or not. So you can see the p-value is 7.3855, degree of freedom 18, and the p-value is 0.7075. So it means the value is significant. So it means we reject the null hypothesis and we accept the alternative hypothesis because there is a significant difference between method A and method B. Now we check the difference and equal variances using the Welch test. So we copy the command and paste here and then press enter. You can see the t value is equal to 7.3855, degree of freedom equal to 18, and p value is also significant because the value of p is less than 0.05. So it means we accept the alternative hypothesis because there is a significant difference between the method A and method B. So we also calculate the Cohen difference. We copy the command, paste here, and then press enter. You can see from method A to B there is a difference 3.30289 because the Cohen value is 3.30. So we will check the criteria of Cohen. We will go to our presentation and see here the effect size. According to Cohen difference, effect size 0.20 indicates small effect size, 0.50 indicate moderate and medium effect size, and 0.8 or greater indicates large effect size. So it means there is the value of Cohen is 3.302891. So it means there is a large change from group A to group A, and there is a large effect size. So it means there is a large significant difference between method A and method B. So in this way, we perform the independent sample test in R. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my next video.